So about 2 weeks ago, you guys may have seen the video I did with Thomas where I explained that we recently went through a move and we implemented some new software that we did run into some issues with, mainly with tracking numbers not going out and longer processing times, and being that it's tax season, we're getting even more orders in than usual, and a lot of you guys have been voicing your concerns. I think we're sitting at around 600 customer tickets right now, which has set us back about a day and a half. And our sales team consists of 5 people, and with 600 customer tickets, we just aren't able to reply as fast as we usually do, so I do apologize for that. And I just got to come on here and ask you guys to try and be as patient as possible as we try to work through this and get back to normal. So if you're sending in multiple emails, that's only going to slow the process down, so don't be that guy that sends in 10 emails in a day, because every time you send in a new one, it just kicks your customer ticket down to the bottom and makes things worse. We're trying our best to get back to everyone as fast as possible and get through everyone in the inbox. You guys may even see me in the Facebook groups or on Instagram trying to help out as much as I can. So again, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update and shed some light on the situation, because we don't want to keep you in the dark and we want to be as transparent as possible, because this not only affects us, it affects our customers as well. And that's pretty much all I've got, guys. We are doing a giveaway. If you haven't already seen that in a previous video, I'll link it down below. But if you want a chance to win a full Flow Design lip kit, definitely go check that out. The winner of that will be announced in the upcoming new products video of April, which should be out next month, or not next month, next week, which is next month. But I'm going to keep trying to kick out videos this year as much as possible for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.